Think you've seen power? Not like this. From roaring chainsaws to massive harvesters, from wood chippers to heavy loaders, every machine here is built to dominate. Stay with us, because the best is yet to come. Welcome back. Today we're cranking it up because what you're about to see isn't just machines working, it's raw power at full force. From the sharp bite of a chainsaw to the unstoppable push of a bulldozer, from precision harvesters to massive chippers, every single one of them built to test the limits. Think you can handle the speed, the noise, the sheer muscle? Watch closely and see if you can make it to the end without looking away. And now, here comes the real muscle of the timber yard, the log loader and hauler in one. With a powerful hydraulic grapple, it snatches up massive logs as if they were toothpicks, locking them in with a firm, unshakable grip. The boom swings smoothly, placing each log perfectly onto the trailer, ready for transport. Engine torque keeps it moving steadily, even on rough terrain, making every load secure and every trip efficient. This is strength, precision, and productivity, working together to keep the wood moving from forest to mill without missing a beat. And right after that, it's time for the precision powerhouse, the straight wood sawmill. The moment the blade meets the timber, you can feel the raw energy slicing through dense wood like it's nothing. The conveyor feeds each log steadily into the cutting line, where every pass of the blade produces clean, perfectly measured boards. No wasted motion, no uneven cuts, just smooth, efficient operation from start to finish. The robust frame absorbs vibration, keeping the cut stable and accurate, while the high-torque motor drives through even the toughest hardwoods without slowing down. This isn't just about cutting wood, it's about maximizing yield, saving time, and delivering quality that's ready for construction or fine woodworking. From rough log to flawless plank, this machine turns raw potential into perfect results every single time. Now, watch closely. This is where brute force meets flawless engineering. The log splitter doesn't hesitate. With one steady push of the hydraulic ram, the log is crushed against the steel wedge, snapping apart with a satisfying crack. No wasted motion, no struggle, just clean, consistent power in every cycle. From thick hardwood to stubborn knotty logs, nothing slows it down. It's not just splitting wood, it's cutting hours of hard labor into minutes, delivering perfect, ready-to-use pieces with unmatched efficiency. Get ready. Because when the Pezzolato S1000 comes to life, it turns raw timber into a steady stream of clean, uniform chips like it's nothing. This beast pulls in massive logs and branches with its powerful feed rollers, guiding them straight into a cutting drum built for pure efficiency. Every rotation is precise, every cut consistent, designed to handle heavy loads without losing speed. From forestry waste to industrial-scale logs, it chews through them with relentless force. In the yard, on the job site, or deep in the forest, the S1000 isn't just processing wood. It's powering entire operations, saving time, fuel, and manpower, while delivering top-grade results every single run. You don't just watch the Rebel Crusher, you experience it. The moment its massive jaws bite down, you hear that deep, raw crunch as concrete, asphalt, and rock give way. It's not just breaking material, it's transforming it, turning demolition waste into clean, reusable aggregate in one seamless process. The conveyor keeps the flow steady, delivering perfectly sized output, ready for the next stage. Switch from a demolition site to a quarry? No problem. The Rebel Crusher adapts instantly, powered by a high-torque engine and precision hydraulics that respond to the operator's touch with zero hesitation. Even under the heaviest loads, it keeps production smooth and constant. The result? Lower disposal costs, less need for new raw materials, and faster project timelines. This isn't just a crusher, it's a complete mobile production powerhouse that keeps you ahead on every job. The moment the mobile chipper rolls in, you know it means business. With its towering feed chute and roaring engine, it takes whole trees, branches, and forestry waste and turns them into perfectly uniform wood chips in seconds. The hydraulic feed system pulls material in with a steady, unstoppable grip, while the precision cutting drum slices clean through even the toughest hardwoods. No bottlenecks, no wasted motion. Just a constant stream of high-quality chips ready for biomass, landscaping, or industrial use. Whether it's stationed deep in the forest or working right on the edge of a job site, its mobility means it gets exactly where it's needed without losing time. Every cycle saves hauling costs, reduces waste, and transforms raw timber into valuable output. This isn't just a machine, it's the moving heartbeat of efficient wood processing, keeping operations fast, clean, and profitable from start to finish. From the instant the LMG-0567 roars to life, you can feel its authority on the job. This machine is built to dominate heavy-duty wood handling, combining sheer power with smooth, precise control. Its hydraulic grapple locks onto massive logs with an unshakable grip, while the boom moves effortlessly, placing each piece exactly where it needs to be. The robust chassis and reinforced components mean it keeps working in the toughest conditions: mud, uneven terrain, or heavy loads without missing a beat. Every movement is designed for efficiency, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. The LMG 0567 doesn't just move timber, it transforms the entire workflow, making operations faster, cleaner, and more profitable from start to finish. Right as the Jensen A540 kicks into action, you can hear the raw confidence in every rotation. This isn't just a wood chipper, it's a precision-built powerhouse designed to turn thick branches and stubborn timber into clean, uniform chips in seconds. Its high-torque feed rollers pull material in with zero hesitation, while the razor-sharp blades slice through even the toughest hardwood without breaking stride. The smart feed system keeps everything flowing smoothly, reducing jams and keeping productivity high. Built with a solid frame and reinforced components, the A540 thrives in demanding conditions, from roadside clearing to full-scale forestry work. Every cut, every chip is proof that the Jensen A540 is here to work hard and work smart. From the very first roar of the Mahindra, you know this isn't just another machine. It's a workhorse built for serious jobs. Its powerful engine delivers consistent torque, giving it the muscle to pull, lift, and push through the toughest conditions without breaking a sweat. Every movement feels deliberate and controlled, with hydraulics that respond instantly to the operator's touch. Whether it's hauling heavy loads, clearing rugged terrain, or powering attachments for a wide range of tasks, the Mahindra keeps productivity high and downtime low. Its sturdy frame and reinforced components mean it's not afraid of long days in demanding environments. This is a machine that doesn't just get the job done. It gets it done with strength, reliability, and the kind of efficiency that keeps you moving forward, task after task, day after day. The moment the Pezzolato PTH 1300-1500M fires up, it demands your attention. This is raw industrial muscle built for one purpose: devouring wood at a scale most machines can't touch. Massive logs, tangled branches, and stubborn forestry waste disappear into its oversized feed, where a high-torque cutting drum shreds them into perfect, uniform chips in seconds. The feed system stays smooth and steady. The hydraulics respond instantly, and the reinforced steel frame shrugs off hours of relentless work. There's no hesitation, no wasted motion, just pure, continuous production. Operators get more output, less downtime, and unmatched reliability in the toughest environments. Whether it's deep in the forest or right at the job site, the PTH 1300-1500M doesn't just keep up, it sets the pace, proving it's a machine you don't work around. It's the machine you work with. You can't take your eyes off it. The moment a powerful log loader rolls in, it's like watching a perfectly choreographed display of strength and precision. The hydraulic grapple locks onto massive logs with a firm, unshakable grip, lifting them effortlessly as if they weigh nothing at all. Every movement is smooth, calculated, and efficient, whether it's stacking neatly on a trailer, feeding a mill, or clearing a job site. The operator has complete control, with responsive hydraulics and a stable chassis that keeps the machine steady on uneven ground. No wasted time, no wasted motion, just pure productivity. This is how you move timber fast, safe, and smart. From deep in the forest to the final drop-off, the log loader turns heavy work into an art form, making sure every load is secured and every job is done right. Ever wondered how rough, uneven logs become flawless boards ready for construction or fine furniture? Watch the straight-line sawmill at work. Its massive, razor-sharp blade tears through dense hardwood like it's nothing, delivering perfect cuts in a single pass. The feed system moves each log with absolute precision, keeping the blade steady and the output consistent. No wobble, no waste, just clean, straight timber every time. Operators can fine-tune speed and pressure to match the wood's density, making the process both powerful and adaptable. From the first cut to the last, this machine turns raw timber into high-value material faster and more efficiently than you'd think possible. This isn't just a saw, it's the heartbeat of a production line built for speed, precision, and quality. When a wood grinding plant comes alive, it's like watching raw power in perfect sync. From towering piles of timber to streams of uniform wood chips, every step is a well-orchestrated performance. The feed conveyors pull in massive logs without pause, driving them straight into the heart of the grinder, a drum engineered to shred even the toughest hardwoods. Each turn of its blades chews through tons of material, transforming it into clean, consistent chips in seconds. Dust collectors hum in the background, keeping the air clear, while operators fine-tune every control for peak output. This isn't random destruction. It's precision on an industrial scale. Day after day, the plant turns raw wood into valuable products with the speed, efficiency, and reliability that keep entire industries supplied. Next, the action shifts deeper into the heart of the grinding plant. Here, towering hoppers release a steady flow of raw material into industrial grinders, their steel teeth tearing through wood with relentless force. In seconds, bulky chunks are transformed into perfectly sized chips, ready for the next stage of processing. It's a seamless chain of power and precision, built to keep production running without missing a beat. You hear it before you see it. A deep, steady roar rolling across the worksite. The mobile chipper has arrived, and it's here to make piles disappear. Designed for on-the-go power, this machine chews through branches, trunks, and forestry waste with relentless force. Its heavy-duty feed rollers pull material in like it's nothing, delivering it straight to the high-speed cutting drum. In seconds, thick logs turn into clean, uniform chips, ready for biomass, mulch, or transport. The real advantage? Mobility. It goes where the work is, forest edges, roadside cleanups, or mill yards, saving time, fuel, and manpower. Operators can fine-tune feed speed and chip size on demand, keeping production smooth and waste to a minimum. Wherever it's parked, the mobile chipper turns raw, unmanageable timber into valuable output, fast. Think a mobile chipper is just a machine? Watch this one prove you wrong. The moment it powers up, the feed system locks onto raw timber and pulls it in with unstoppable grip. Massive logs vanish into the drum, where industrial blades rip them apart in seconds, creating a flood of perfectly cut chips. Every rotation, every cut is tuned for maximum output without missing a beat. Out on remote sites, it eliminates the need to haul bulky loads back to the yard, processing everything right where it falls. This is not just mobility, it's production power unleashed, ready to turn raw material into ready-to-use chips faster than you can believe. You think you've seen power? Wait until the HG8000TX roars to life. This horizontal grinder isn't here to play. It's built to devour the toughest wood waste, storm debris, and massive stumps without hesitation. The moment the feed system engages, it pulls in material with an unrelenting grip, delivering it straight to the massive grinding rotor. Hardened steel teeth shred through everything in their path, turning mountains of waste into perfectly sized mulch in record time. The tracked chassis gives it the freedom to move across rough, uneven terrain, bringing industrial-scale processing power exactly where it's needed. Every cycle is a display of precision engineering and brute force, designed to keep production high, downtime low, and results consistent, day after day, load after load. You think you've seen power? Wait until the HG8000TX roars to life. This horizontal grinder isn't here to play. It's built to devour the toughest wood waste, storm debris, and massive stumps without hesitation. The moment the feed system engages, it pulls in material with an unrelenting grip, delivering it straight to the massive grinding rotor. Hardened steel teeth shred through everything in their path, turning mountains of waste into perfectly sized mulch in record time. The tracked chassis gives it the freedom to move across rough, uneven terrain, bringing industrial-scale processing power exactly where it's needed. Every cycle is a display of precision engineering and brute force, designed to keep production high, downtime low, and results consistent, day after day, load after load. The Vermeer TG5000 doesn't just grind wood, it dominates it. With a deep thunderous growl, the massive rotor spins to life, feeding on logs, stumps, and tangled brush like a beast built for the job. Every rotation of its cutting drum sends shards flying, turning bulky debris into perfectly sized mulch in seconds. The advanced feed system senses and adjusts automatically, keeping the flow steady and the output high, while reducing downtime to almost zero. Rugged, efficient, and relentless, the TG5000 thrives in the most demanding work sites, delivering the kind of unstoppable power that turns waste piles into valuable material before your eyes. And the action doesn't slow down. The TG5000 keeps chewing through material with the same relentless pace, its heavy-duty conveyor carrying the fresh mulch away in a steady stream. The operator barely needs to touch the controls. Automation handles the feed, while the engine holds its power under the heaviest loads. Every pass means less waste, faster cleanup, and more profit, all in one smooth, unstoppable workflow. Right as the dust settles, the Peterson 4310B roars to life, and all eyes are on it. Its powerful feed system drags in massive timber with ease, while the grinding chamber turns raw logs into clean, consistent chips in the blink of an eye. This isn't just power, it's performance tuned for non-stop productivity. Did this beast win your vote? Drop your favorite machine in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe, and thank you for sticking with us till the end. The next video will take things to another level.